see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you.
Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Joy. Happy Independence Day to all of you out there. So we are celebrating Independence Day here in the United States of America, and that's why I am dressed like this. If you look at my shirt, God bless America. Every occasion as a Nigerian, we always have this popular dish that we serve at every occasion, whether it's wedding, whether it's naming ceremony or burial ceremony, whatever ceremony or any occasion that we are having, there must be this one popular dish that will be served. So in the spirit of this celebration that we are having here in the United States, and as Omo Naija that I am making jollof rice. Yes, you heard that right. Jollof rice is a very popular dish in West Africa, especially in Nigeria. So today I am going to be making this beautiful and delicious jollof rice, because there's no celebration without jollof rice in any Nigerian household. So let me show you everything that I'm using for this delicious jollof rice recipe. So I'm using 3 onions, 1 to blend the peppers, 1 to cook the meat, and 1 to cook the rice. I'm using 3 red bell peppers, 3 scotch bonnet peppers, but you can use as many as you want if you like your food very spicy, 5 roma tomatoes, salt. This is optional. This is jollof rice seasoning. I'm using ginger, 3 garlic cloves, Knor cube, dried thyme, curry powder, tomato paste, and bay leaves. So there you have it. These are everything that I'm going to be cooking this jollof rice today. So let's get cooking. And of course, the main dish for today, rice. I'm using 6 cups of long grain parboiled rice. So I'm going to wash this thoroughly until the water runs clean. As for the protein, I'm using chicken for this. You can definitely use any protein of your choice. And so I'm going to season with the minced ginger and the garlic, salt, the seasoning cubes, thyme, curry powder. I'm just going to mix it, cover it for like 10 minutes without adding water to it, so that the chicken will absorb the seasonings. And I'm going to add the onions. This is after 10 minutes, so I am going to go in with some water, and then I'm going to cook this for another 10-15 minutes. So the chicken is done. I am going to air fry this, but you can fry this with oil or you can bake it in the oven, but I'm going to air fry this. I'm going to cook the blended peppers until the water is dried out. add oil to a pan. I'm going to fry this onion until it's fragrant, about 1 or 2 minutes. Tomato paste. I'm gonna let it cook for like 2-3 minutes. And I'm gonna go in with the blended peppers. So I'm gonna let this fry until the oil settles at the top, but I'll be stirring it occasionally so it doesn't get burnt. So while this is frying, I'm gonna season it. I'm gonna add the bay leaves, the cubes, the Knor cubes. Thyme, curry powder, optional jollof rice seasoning. I'm gonna give it a mix. I'm gonna go in with the chicken stock. Salt. Rice. I already washed and cleaned this rice. Make sure that this rice is washed thoroughly. And then water, enough water to cook the rice. The water can be just above the same level with the rice. Cover it with a foil and let it cook on a medium-low heat for 20 minutes. The foil helps trap the steam in the pot. I'm just gonna throw in a stick of butter. The butter takes it to another level. I'm gonna cover this to steam for another 2 minutes. And the the food is ready. The jollof rice is ready. You have to try this recipe, I tell you. You can serve this with any side of your choice. This jollof rice, it tastes so good. It is so flavorful. You need to try this recipe for this jollof rice. You are going to love this recipe. So good. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and if you enjoyed the recipe, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, share the video, hit the notification bell. Until next time, take care.